Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DigiByte coin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and I also want to show you once again this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here you can see we are following this very long-term down trend line resistance. You can see DigiByte found this resistance here back in the month of April 2021, and so far it is not able to break it out. And here we got the last rejection in the month of August 2022 on this candlestick that was opened on 8th of August on this weekly time frame chart, and after getting rejected, the price line has also recently broken down this support of 1 cent, and right now you can see we are moving just below this 1 cent support. That was a very significant support, and right now you can see that the price line is moving below than this support, but at the same time on the daily time frame chart, moving below than this support, it has formed this falling wedge pattern. And previously we were watching that after breaking out, the price line was retesting the previous resistance as a support, and now it is still, you can see, moving here and getting accumulated above this resistance. But we cannot ignore these candlesticks as well and these more rejections. Therefore now I'm just going to adjust this trend line, and you can see it is now moving in a bigger falling wedge pattern on the same daily time frame chart. We have rejection here, and 2 more rejections here, 2 or 3 more rejections here, and recently you can see we have almost 2 more rejections here, and now the price line is still moving at the resistance. And at the same time, if we move to the smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, then here you can see that DigiByte has formed this broadening wedge, and you can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher highs, and therefore now you can see we have just got another bounce here, and the price line is moving up, and right now you can see we are having some accumulation here. Now, for example, if it is going to form another higher than previous high, then it can move here. That will be around somewhere at 1 cent or 1.1 cents. And in that situation, it can also try to break out this 1 cent resistance on the weekly time frame chart as well. And on this daily time frame chart, it can easily break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. By the way, the target for this smaller falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 1.4 cents. And for example, if it reaches at 1.4 cents, then you can see it can also try to break out this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, because we have this resistance this time approximately at 1.3 cents. And after breaking out this bigger resistance, we can expect that there can be a very massive rally of DigiByte can be started. And by the way, this will be still our key resistance. That will be at 1.8 cents. And previously, you can see for the past several, even years, it has been working as a strong support, and now it has turned into a resistance. And by the way, the target, once DigiByte will be able to break out this resistance, then our target to the upside for this bigger falling wedge breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $16 to $17, 16 to 17 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.